go through complex processes. First, these logs, over 2 meters long, are cut into 50 cm segments by 2 workers using a bandsaw with fixed cutting dimensions. Since poplar bark cannot be directly cleaned on the peeling machine, an 18-year-old assistant manually removes the excess bark. Once bark is cleaned, the logs are fixed on a specialized peeling machine. Sharp peeling blades quickly cut the logs into long strips of 2 mm thickness. To make the peeling work easier, all raw materials must be in the freshest state. Adequate moisture prevents the strips from breaking during the slicing process. Once enough strips cut, the cutting dimensions are adjusted before starting the slitting machine. Here, the slitting machine uses horizontal and vertical blades to cut the original strips into 3 cm long pieces. This size of matches meets customers' basic needs during use and doesn't take up much space, making them easy to carry. After cutting, the matchsticks are transported by a fully automatic high-speed belt to the reserve station. To reduce work intensity, an intelligent drying machine is located on the other side of the station. The fully automatic drying and temperature control equipment quickly dries the moisture inside the poplar wood, ensuring it reaches the best burning state. The dried sticks first go through a coarse sieve to clean out the parts that don't meet size requirements. Then, they are transported through pre-designed pipelines to the feed port of the selection machine. With a vibration frequency of over 250 times per minute, it quickly removes sticks that don't meet quality standards. Sticks without size errors then enter the sorting machine. Originally disorganized sticks are organized and aligned. The machine's special internal structure and the robotic arm completes the action of grabbing individual sticks. After the robotic arm arranges them neatly, the top of the wood strips is quickly heated using a high-temperature heating chamber. This increases the adhesion of the ignition agent. Pre-mixed potassium chlorate is used as the ignition agent, making the ignition smoother. Specially designed flat pallets ensure consistent thickness. After adding the ignition agent, the conveyor belt precisely positions the wood strips above the ignition agent pool. Then, the robotic arm quickly places the strips into the igniter holder for 3 seconds before swiftly removing them. This completes the absorption process for 10,000 match. To ensure the igniters are completely dry before packaging, the matches with absorbed igniters pass through a 250-meter drying tunnel. At the tunnel's exit, to facilitate packaging, the leading company has purchased 8 sorting machines at a high price. This allows the matches to be neatly organized. The assistant then transports them to the workshop. Simply place the matchboards into the automatic loading machine's feed port, and each exquisite box will automatically be filled with exactly 30 matches, which is just enough to meet an ordinary family's monthly match needs. The packed matches are then placed in self-made wooden boxes to prevent moisture. At this point, a box, high-quality matches, costing only 20 rupees, is successfully made.